some empties I wanted to talk about. First two products are from Necessaire. I love Necessaire. Their body lotion is my favorite product of theirs. I enjoyed this scent, but I definitely prefer the unscented version of this formula. The Necessaire hand cream is also one of my favorite hand creams. It's really great to keep in your purse or your bag. It's not greasy, it's not heavy. Really loved using this hand cream, obviously. Next two are these serums. This is the P-Teox from SkinCeuticals, and this is the Dr. Diamond Metacine Plasma Instafacial. I thought this was great. I didn't notice a huge difference in lines, but that's because I don't think I have a good starting point of comparison to begin with. But I enjoyed using this nonetheless, and I love this serum. I think it's such a great formula. I used it so sparingly because it's so expensive, but I finally did finish it and I would definitely use it again. It also has a great shelf life, 24 months after opening, so if I want to take my time using it, which I did, I can. So all in all, I'd say that this was a pretty positive empties run through.